Uptown Swing level 3. It's Maddie, it's Peter. So we worked on slows and fasts today. So we started with a ton of cuddling, an inordinate, uncomfortable amount of cuddling. By that I mean this. 6 count up, 6 count out. And we just change that to 4 count stuff. So instead of doing that 6 count in, we do 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can do a 6 count out. Or we could also do a 4 count out. 1, 2, hey, ha, boom. It's about a lot of rotation, moving your hands fast, and making sure that you're trying to move your hands in concert so that the followers come with you. Followers rotate and commit to things. Leaders, do it. Remember, Maggie was kind of saying, like, do it. When we go forward.
Just do it.
Yeah. So you have the permission to try a little more. You can go fast in and fast out. It just changes the forwards from triple steps to steps. Then we tried Lindy circle. And we try to put an extra zoom in there. Zoom, 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 triple circle. And just as a reminder, when we do like a 6 count, there's no zoom. Chilling, chilling. On a Lindy circle, chilling, zoom, zoom. On the one we did today, zoom, 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 zoom. The center is between us, and we're both zooming around the little steps kind of say keep going. We talked about how those triple steps are kind of slow and relaxed, and steps that need to be moving a little faster. So, then we came back to yet another Peter special, one of the many. So, we did hey, come, and one. Nice catch. So, this turn starts out like a 4 count in, but instead of sending my follower out, that way I say, ha, ha, 2 1 steps, and we go there. Then we all just fall into the next rock step. One more time, let's give them a twirl. By that I mean your drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, whoop.